Good morning, everybody. Today is day 2 of our Virginia Beach trip, and we don't really have a solid plan on what we're gonna do, but first we're gonna head to the pier, like the Virginia Beach pier. That's like a little farther like that way, but this is the view today. So they actually, like an hour ago, they just cleaned the windows, so that was really funny. They just like came by. It was funny. But yeah, so, and we're gonna also do some like souvenir shopping, like at the gift shops and all that. There's like a Sensations and like some like local gift shops, and then we might do like some like grocery shopping for like the week, because we're staying here for like a week and we need like food, because we're not gonna order out every day. We do have like snacks, but like we don't really have like a bunch of like frozen foods, or like chicken nuggets or like french fries or something like that. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you around the view real quick, and then we will go to the pier. This is what it looks like. It's currently almost 10 o'clock in the morning. So it's a overcast day, I'd say. I don't know, but there's some people walking on the boardwalk. I just saw some people on the bike path, but we're not on the main area of Virginia Beach, so like down that way a little bit. It's gonna be a little bit more busier than over here. Like over here, it's not. There's hardly anyone here, but down that way, it's a little bit more busy. Oh God. Mommy. Oops. Tripped on there. There you go, Virginia Beach right there. Look at that. So